gonna be.
Okay, here's the big room. It's okay if it's loud. I don't want to stop you. Okay, here we are. This has already gone down so far. Look how amazing this is. Emmanuel's amazing harbor floor guy. He's taking care of us. Just told me though that maybe we should put the air conditioner in early because it's kind of humid out right now, and that can affect, you know, hardwood floor and stuff. So this is the master bedroom. Starting to do this just because it's got to tie in with that straight line all the way through the other room. So this is this room, getting it ready. And of course underlayment goes underneath it, so that's very cool.
Yeah,
what does this do for it, Emmanuel?
Moisturizer, just helps it for the moisture barrier.
Okay, oh, moisture barrier.
Yeah, and termites. I hear, but we moisture.
Well, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
And then let's see, so then this is gonna be a repair over here by that door. Oh, well, that door actually looks weird now, it sits on there. It did have a piece, or does it have to be fixed?
It's gonna have to be put a piece here.
You're gonna put one on?
I could, yeah.
Yep.
And then you're gonna have to do a molding like this, but nail it to this. So when it covers that seam.
Got it.
You know, like a flat molding.
Yeah, but then they might trip over, oh, flat molding?
Flat, like a real flat one.
Okay, we'll see what we can do on it.
Just to cover that seam.
Okay, later you mean, for looks only. What can you do about this? Does it just get cleaned up and sanded?
Just scraped, sanded, whatever comes off.
Okay.
Because we're doing a stain here, right?
No, natural.
Natural.
Yeah, why?
You're gonna
Why?
see the difference.
What?
New and old, you're gonna see the difference in natural.
Well, let's just see, when it gets, let's see how it looks, because if we need to, we'll do a light stain. We want it to be as natural as possible.
Natural as possible? Okay.
Yep, so let's just see how it looks. I didn't think about that new thing old, so we'll just see.
And then there's gonna be a repair by the door because there's a big hump right there.
Yep, by that back door, yes. And then it hasn't started here, so. You're still gonna be done by next Friday?
Yeah, that's what I'm planning for.
Okay.
And then you're gonna put a marble threshold here, or what are you gonna put in the doorway?
Probably Gerald will put a marble threshold
Okay, because
on both places, right?
yeah, so these
Yep.
are gonna have to come out afterwards.
Yep.
And I'll stop flush with that door.
Okay,
I just
super.
wanna make sure.
Okay, good. Yeah. What's this trim from, the front door?
I think, yeah, from the door down,
Okay,
around the door.
okay.
I don't know if you're replacing that or not, but.
Yeah, I don't know. We're getting close. This is coming along. Master bedroom. Looking good, guys, looking good. Everything will be laid today, right, guys? All the floor will be laid?
Yeah.
Just not.
Whatever we don't.
Both bedrooms?
Today will be done tomorrow.